another doll outfit.
You can screenshot and print out this printable size to a regular piece of paper. I'm going to cut out the pieces on the pattern. Now I'm going to take the fabric that I'm using and then fold it in half. And then take the main piece pattern and line up the dotted one with the fold. Then cut through both layers. I also cut out 2 of the sleeves. I'm going to take the main piece and I'm going to hem along this edge here. It's sort of like a triangle on both sides. So it has a clean edge. I'm also going to hem the non-curved end of both sleeves. Now I'm going to line up the curved edge of the sleeve with this loop here in the main piece, and so going all the way around with both sleeves. This attaches the sleeves. Now I flip it over. I'm going to fold it in half with the good side facing in. And I'm going to sew from the end of the sleeve to the end right here on both sides. Now I turn it inside out. I also sewed together these 2 points in the front to make it secure in the front. Now, I'm going to make a matching skirt. I have this sort of textured fabric, and I'm going to cut out a piece that is 5.5 inches by 3 inches. I'm going to start by hemming one of the ends. Then I cut a strip that is the same length, and then fold it in half, and line up the bottom edge with the other edge of the other piece, and then sew along here. And then I fold it up, and then fold it in half and sew the bottom only going up to here, and then sew on some Velcro on this part and this part. And then turn it inside out to finish the outfit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. See you next time. I love to design and model outfits. What should I design for that human to make for me next? Where's my notebook?